All right, we are working on making our seed pops. We are mixing a full serving of the mixture is using sea starter soil, some good quality sea starter soil, then using some clay, and you want to use bentonite clay powder, and you're going to mix half a cup into each bowl, half a cup of sea starter soil and half a cup of clay. And that mixture is going to be enough to fill 2 of the silicone trays. The next step is to add water to them. Okay, you're gonna add water slowly, and with your other hand, your fingers, you're gonna start mixing it together. It's like dough. You're gonna make a dough, okay? You're gonna make a dough with your fingers, using your fingers. You're gonna add water, okay? Add water, there you go. Okay, as you're adding water, you're gonna mix it together. You can't just add water, you're gonna mix it together. There you go. Okay, using all fingers of your hand, you have 10 fingers. You have 5 fingers on each hand, so you're gonna use all your fingers, mixing it together. Okay, you don't need to add, you can stop adding water and you're gonna mix it together. Okay? Perfect. Here we are, mixing our, okay, you're gonna mix it, so it's a fun little activity. It's gonna be clay, so we might need to add a little bit more water onto each. There you go. All right, do we feel like it's all mixed together? You need to have it mixed to the point that it's all gray. So if you have spots of black, you want to mix it all together. There you go. Sebastian, you may need to add more water to it. Okay, the water, the cup. Stella, can you give Sebastian some of the water, please? That's okay. That's okay. You can wash your hands. Okay, you don't want to pour it all. He can do it, Stella. He can do it. All right, I think that's good, Sebastian. Now try to mix it. All right, Stella, how's yours looking? Oh, that looks good. All right, you're gonna mix it all together. Our next step following that is that you're gonna use your favorite seeds. In our case, the fall is approaching. We're gonna use a seed that we got from American Meadows. It is a fall wildflower seeds. So what we're gonna do, Stella, you can start this. Bring your bowl over here. We're gonna pour some seeds into our mixture. And our goal here, bring it over a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more, please. Our goal is that we can mix it all together. Sebastian, you're gonna continue mixing it. You still have some more. All right, so now we have both of our mixed serving sizes. Again, so half a cup of sea starter soil, half a cup of clay it's enough for 2 of these silicone molds that we'll use. These are designed for either elderberry type of gummies or gummy bears or little treats chocolates. They're simple, got them on Amazon, so it's very easy. So our next step, guys, is that you're gonna grab your mix and you're gonna fill the space inside the tray. So you can grab a handful and bring it from one corner and bring it down, and you can start mixing it together. There you go, exactly, Sebastian. Okay, and you wanna try to fill the entire space of the tray. How does it feel doing it?
It feels weird.
Okay. All right, guys, how does it feel?
Feels like you're making a mud pie.
It is. That's exactly. Sebastian, how does it feel?
It feels like mud, pretty much.
Exactly. You want to grab the excess that you have in the tray, because every serving, the half a cup of soil and the half a cup of the clay should make 2 trays. So it seems like we're right on spot. So now we're in one of the final stages. Sebastian, what are you doing?
Sticking popsicle sticks in to make it like a popsicle. Make it look like a popsicle.
Perfect. So do you think when it dries, you'll be able to pull it out?
Probably.
Good. Stella's completing her last tray. All right, our next step, Sebastian, what are you doing now for our next step?
Putting stickers on these bags.
And what do the stickers say?
Fall is perfect time to sow wildflowers. Our fall maximum wildflower seed mix is designed for fall planting and will have your garden bursting with blooms. Full sun made by.
And then there, you're going to write down your name. And then the other sticker is, what does it say?
Roman Empire Garden.
Fantastic. That's our branding. What we want to do now is that you're going to be putting the other sticker on the other side of it. But you're going to start doing 30 bags with one side, and then you flip them over and use the other sticker. So that's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to grab your bags. Okay, you're going to grab 30 bags. These are simple bags that we got at Amazon as well. And then the stickers, these are just the little Avery type sticker sheets, and we made them specifically for this project, which is a wallflower seeds. And they will write down who made them. In this case will be Sebastian, and then Stella over there, she will write down the same thing. So as the kids are working on their bags that will house the popsicles, so this is how it looks. They will take 48 hours, 2 days to dry, and then you can transfer them into the bag. So they're working on the bags, they're identifying. This is a great activity to give away as gifts to friends and family, or perhaps spark some entrepreneurship type of skills and get the kids to go by and sell these at a farmer's market or at an event at school. It could be a school fundraiser. Super simple.